Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's see how we can solve these nice algebraic equations. X plus 3 raised to power 3 equals 8. So by considering the solution from here, we have x plus 3 raised to power 3 equals 8. So here is the given question. Then let's say we consider these expressions. If we have a plus b raised to power 3, this equals a raised to power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b raised to power 3. So we get this from binomial expansion. So when we try to apply it to this, we have x plus 3 raised to power 3 equals x cubed plus 3 multiplied by x squared multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 squared, so plus 3 raised to power 3. Then we have from here, this equals x cubed plus, so 3 multiplied by 3, we have 9x squared plus, here we have 3 squared, that is 9, and 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27x plus, and 3 raised to power 3 is 27, and the whole of this equals 8. So from here, we can write this as x raised to power 3 plus 9x squared plus 27x plus 27. So let's take 8 here. We have minus 8 equals 0. So getting to this stage, so we keep going as we have x to the power 3 plus 9x squared plus 27x. So when we subtract 8 from this, we get plus 19 equals 0. So we have this as a very nice cubic equations. Then we are going to find all the three values that satisfy this. But looking at this, let's try to test for the factors of this 19, and one of it is plus 1 and minus 1. And we also have plus 19 and minus 19. So let's say at x equals minus 1. So when we substitute minus 1 here, we have minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 9 into bracket of minus 1 squared plus 27 into minus 1 plus 19. So we want to check if this equals 0. So minus 1 cubed, that is minus 1, plus minus 1 squared is plus 1, 9 multiplied by plus 1, that is 9, minus 27 multiplied by minus 1, we have minus 27 plus 19. And when we add 9 plus 19, so we get 28, and minus 1 minus 27, that is minus 28 plus 28, and this equals 0. So this shows that x equals 1 is one of the solutions that satisfy this. So we have x equals minus 1, it's satisfied, and x plus 1 is the factor of these cubic equations. So since it is power of 3, we have to get 3 solutions, and we just got 1, so we have to find the other solution that satisfies this. So we have x equals -1. That is one of the solutions to this. And let's see the other two solutions, as I'm going to be applying synthetic division method to see the other one. So here's what we are going to do. Let's consider the coefficient of x cubed. That is 1. And coefficient of x squared, we have 9. So coefficient of x is 27, and the last one is 19. So we have it already that we have at x equals -1. So let's say the first number here. So there's nothing before it. Then according to this rule, it means the first number comes as it is. Then we start multiplying this first root with what we get here. So -1 multiplied by 1, we have it as -1. Then when we add this together, we get 8. And also -1 multiplied by 8, that is -8. And when we try to subtract these two, so we get 19. And -1 multiplied by 19, that is -19. And we add this, we get 0. So therefore, so we have 3 non-zero numbers, which is 1, 8, and 19. And we consider this as a quadratic because there are 3 terms here which are not 0. So which you can conclude that these values are x squared plus 8x plus 19 equals 0. So here is a quadratic equation, and we have to get the two values from here. Let's transfer 19 to the other side. We have x squared plus 8x equals -19. And let's add 16 to both sides. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals -9 plus 16. So the whole of this, you can compress it as x plus 4 raised to power 2. So when we take our time and expand this, we are going to get the whole of this, and equals -19 plus 16, that is -3. And from here, we have to take the square root of both sides. So by taking the square root of this, we have this cancelled, and at this side we have x plus 4 equals plus or minus square root of -3. And from here, we transfer 4 to the other side. Here is x equals -4 plus or minus. So square root of -3 is 3i. And we get x3 and x2 from here. So there are 3 solutions here, and here are all of them. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.